Good morning, students. In the previous class, you learned how to rectify the single-sided error if that is detected before preparation of trial balance. I have given one chart to you to rectify the single-sided errors before preparation of trial balance, where you learn that how to rectify the single-sided error before preparation of trial balance, that is by writing a single statement using the word to or by. You have already learned it. Now today we will learn how to rectify the single-sided error if the errors are detected in the second stage, that is after preparation of trial balance. Once the trial balance is being prepared, then in that case, in order to match the trial balance, if trial balance is not agreeing, then to match the trial balance, we open an imaginary account that is called a suspense account. In the previous class, I have already explained. The suspense account is an artificial imaginary account which is opened to make tally the trial balance both sides if there is some difference or variation in the total of debit and credit side. That difference may lie in the debit side or in credit side. If that lies in the debit side, the suspense shows the debit balance. If that lies in the credit side, that shows the credit balance. And when the errors are rectified, errors are located, detected, and rectified, then suspense account automatically erased or eliminated. It means the single-sided error can be rectified by or through the suspense account. Now, when trial balance is prepared, trial balance is not matched, the suspense account is opened. Then we will pass the journal entry to rectify the single-sided error through suspense account. Then how to rectify? What journal entry should be passed for that? I am giving one more chart for it to make easy the rectification. See this one. These types of errors or kinds of errors. Items of debit nature. Mean if that error is committed in that item which shows the debit nature, which is of debit nature, such as purchases, assets, expenses, sales return, debtors, etc. And items of credit nature. Such as sales, purchase return, income, etc. and liabilities, credit, etc. Now the very first error of costing. Error of costing. That is error of totaling. A. Under costing. Under costing means less totaled. And if it was less total in the debit item, that debit item should be increased. So the relevant item, relevant account debit, the name of the item in which it is, if that is purchase account debit, if that is expenses account debit, whatever debit item, relevant account debit to suspense account. If that is the credit item, then you have to increase the credit side, under costing is there, Credit item you have to increase. Credit item should be credited. Suspense account debit to relevant account. Now B, overcast. Mean that total was overcasted either in the book or in the ledger. Excess total was made. Then in that case, if debit item is there, then that should be reduced. And that debit item should be created for reducing to bring it up to the actual amount or balance. So here we will pass suspense account debit to relevant account. Mean purchase account was 1000, but it was totaled at 1100, 1100 excess over totaled, so that purchase account should be credited by 100. Then that become suspense account debit to relevant. And this relevant account debit to suspense account. Second, arithmetical error. It is A, less totaled or less amount posted. B, excess amount posted. That is in the ledger. If this less amount was posted in the debit item, that should be increased. So we will write relevant account debit to suspense account. When the credit item is there, the suspense account debit to relevant account. Excess amount posted. If in the debit item excess amount was posted, that should be reduced and that debit item should be credited. So here we will pass suspense account debit to relevant account. Name of the account. Rate relevant account debit to suspense account. Now third is the clerical mistake. Clerical mistake here means this is all error of commission when the posting is made in the wrong site or in the wrong book, that is the journal double entered, if that is entered in the wrong book, that is called double-sided error. But if it is made in the wrong side of the correct account, then it is called clerical mistake. It will affect the trial balance. And then if in the debit item, in place of debit side, it was posted in the credit side. First you debit it. Relevant account debit to suspense account. With which amount? Amount to be debited and amount which was wrongly credited. Both should be added and then we will write here debit plus a credit amount. In it, suspense account debit to relevant account. Now next is error of omission. This is called partial omission. When in one account it was posted but another account it was not posted. If it was omitted to be posted in the debit item, that should be corrected, that only one account should be corrected by debiting it. So relevant account debit, and that difference was passed through the suspense account, written in the suspense account, because trial balance was not matched due. Relevant account debit, so it is now corrected through suspense account. And it to relevant account. This is the way of rectifying the single-sided error after preparation of trial balance. Now, one thing you also listen. If that error is to be rectified after preparation of final account, when final account has been prepared, trading profit loss already prepared, balance sheet is prepared, even though up to that date, closing date, no errors were rectified, no errors were located, mean we have reached in the next year, and then after the next year, some errors were detected, then in that case, we will rectify the errors, single-sided errors, in the same way, but as you know, there are three accounts: personal account, real account, nominal account. If that error is in the personal account, we will write in the place of relevant account the name of the personal account. If that is real account, we will write the name of the real account in place of relevant account. But if that is in the nominal items such as expenses, incomes, purchase, sales, purchase return and sales return, then it will be not written as in the name of purchase or sales or that expenses or sales return or purchase return, but in place of the purchases, we will write the profit loss adjustment account. In place of the sales, we will write the name of the sales. In the place of sales, we will write profit loss adjustment account. In the place of the name of expenses, we will write the profit loss adjustment account. In the place of the name of the income, we will write the profit loss adjustment account. That is only one thing. So first we will learn, you learn it how to rectify the single-sided error. I am taking one question number 14, that is both in this given, and see it how to rectify it. It is given in the two cases. Both I am trying to present at the board. See, the question number 14 is given. Rectify the following errors, assuming A, that no suspense account was opened, has been opened with difference in trial balance. It means that was detected and rectified before preparation of trial balance. And B, that such a suspense account has been opened. Suspense account was opened. Now see, both you will see here. A, if no suspense account was opened, it means trial balance was not prepared before preparation. I am writing only before. You understood it. Before mean that is before trial balance. Before preparation of trial balance, we write a single statement to rectify the error. See it. Question number 14. Goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were omitted to be credited to his account. His account was not credited, that is in the ledger as written in the account. His account was not credited, that should be credited. So the first A will write by posting omitted in relevant in Sachin account. Sachin's account and that rupees is 800. Rupees 800. B. Or second, goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were credited to his account rupees 80, meaning less amount posted in the credit side. 1 and 2 is numbering, less amount posted, so that credit item should be increased by 720, that is by less amount posted in Sachin's account, because Sachin should be debited. Sachin's account by rupees 720. 800 minus 80. Third, goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit. Now understand it. If you purchase on credit, purchase account debit to Sachin, it should be. So Sachin should be credited. Were credited to his account as 880. Excess amount was posted. So that should be reduced. So here, third, we will debit the Sachin account by 80 rupees. Because in place of 800, it was credited 880. So in order to reduce the credit item, credit side by 80, that should be debited to excess amount posted in Sachin's account by rupees 80. Fourth, goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were posted to the debit of his account. In place of credit, it was debited. It is clerical mistake. So credit item plus debit item, both we will add in it. Now see, by posting made in wrong side of Sachin's account, that is how much 800 credited should be credited, but it was debited by 800, so both should be added, that is 1600. And fifth item is goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were posted to the debit of his account. Again it was wrongly posted, but the amount is different. So here we will again write by posting made in wrong side of Sachin's account rupees 80. 880. 880. 800 plus 80. Item to be credited 800, wrongly debited 80. Though both amounts should be added, and then that should be credited in Sachin's account by posting made in the wrong side. Now see, if the trial balance was prepared and suspense account was opened, what entry will be passed? In the same cases, in the same question, after B, after trial balance. Now see, entry number 1. Here we will write suspense account debit to Sachin's account. because in the credit item this was omitted. So credit item, this is the error of omission. This is debit side, this is credit side. In the journal format, 808. Second, goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were credited to his account 80. That was less credited. So here again you credited suspense account debit to Sachin's account. 720. The difference is 720. In place of 800, 80 was credited. So 720 was less credited. Now third is goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were credited to his account 880. It was credited, correctly credited, but the amount was wrong. That was excess amount was credited. So excess by rupees 80 should be nullified by debiting the Sachin account. So here we write third, Sachin debit to suspense account 80 rupees. Fourth, goods costing 800 purchase of Sachin on credit were posted to the debit side. Now, this was clerical mistake, wrong side posting. Sachin should be credited, credit. Suspense account debit to Sachin's account. $800 plus 800, both debit plus credit, both amount, and that was 800 plus 800, 1,600. And last, fifth item, goods costing 800 purchased from Sachin on credit were posted to the debit of his account 80. That is also wrong side posting, but the amount was posted 80 rupees. So there is difference of 880. You will pass suspense account debit to Sachin's account. $880. This we have to do it. Now on the basis of these entries, we can prepare the suspense account even. See the suspense account, preparation of suspense account, and we can find what was the balance. It is not given in asking question, but you can find it. Suspense account as in the ledger format, no balance have been given. It means the trial balance was different. Both side was having the difference. It is not clear which side. So to leave that balance, we will find. We have to find the opening balance of it. The first is suspense account debit to Sachin. Right here to Sachin. 800. Again to Sachin. 720. Here by Sachin. By Sachin. 80. Again by Sachin. No, to Sachin. To Sachin. $1,600 and to Sachin 880. Total these two. This side is different. The difference lies in this side. The suspense account. By balance brought down. This is the suspense account. Preparation of suspense account. Now, how to use the suspense account after preparation of trial balance, that we will learn today. Next time we will take some more question to solve it, and we will learn how to rectify the composition of the double and single sided both. Now first you practice to rectify the single sided error, then after we will solve the common question in which both errors are there. Now it is enough. Learn it more. Have a good day. Thank you.